Hi guys, welcome to AB Telecoms. Here on my workbench, I have with me ITEL 2160, which came in dead. It wasn't powering on according to my customer, so upon arrival, I detected that the battery was down. It was totally down, it had no charge, so I had to use desktop to boost it for some time. Okay, alright, as you can see, I'm trying to use my battery to see if it will come on. Okay, yeah, it came on, so it means the phone is powering on fine. Okay, okay, the phone is working perfectly well, as you can see from the video. So let's see if it's charging. Okay, it's not charging, probably has charging port issues. Okay, still trying to confirm it if it will charge or not. Okay, it's not charging. All right, so let me work on the charging port. I'll need to replace the charging port now. Okay, so you guys sit down and watch how I fix the charging port. Sit and remain calm. So the video is very lengthy. Okay, the whole process is very lengthy, so I had to increase the speed to reduce the duration. Okay, all right. So here's the process of removing and installing on that new charging port. So this process currently I'm removing the old one using my workstation. So my heat for the workstation, the temperature I used was about 350 degrees C. Then the air gun, I set the air gun to 4. Okay, as you can see, I've already removed the charging port and I am prepping the board for the installation of the new charging port. As you can see, I'm cleaning the pads and also using my soldering lead to make a good connection with the board. Okay, I'm cleaning it. Okay, as you can see, I'm applying some thermal paste, okay, or flux, thermal paste or flux to it, so that it will give us a smooth welding. Okay, this process is also called welding. So soldering is also a part of welding. Okay, as you can see, I'm fixing it gently. So the reason why you cannot see the actual process is that my microscope currently, I don't have a camera to shoot or to zoom it, because those elements are very, very small. They are microscopic to the human eye. So very soon after purchasing the microscope camera, I will also be uploading the full process and procedures of this kind of jobs. Okay, so for now guys, bear with me. Okay, so make sure you follow my YouTube channel, AB Telecoms, my YouTube channel, and also please like, comment, and also follow me on Facebook for more content on repairs, phones, gadgets, music box, etc. Even laptops also. I also deal in software and hardware. Okay, so I'm finally done with it now. Alright, you can see it's charging fine. It's charging fine. Let's test it again. Alright, okay, you can see it's charging. We are good to go. Alright, sharp. Thanks and God bless you. Remain blessed. Thank you.